Did you know that intermittent fasting isn't just a diet trend, but a scientifically backed method with incredible health benefits? Imagine a lifestyle where you can eat what you love and still achieve your health goals. Well, that's where intermittent fasting, specifically the 16-8 method, comes into play. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 amazing benefits of intermittent fasting, a path to unlocking your body's potential for health and vitality. So grab your attention span, because by the end of this video, you'll be itching to give intermittent fasting a try. Let's jump in. Number 1, increases fat burning. The 16-8 intermittent fasting method boosts fat burning in the body. With prolonged fasting periods, the body starts utilizing stored fats for energy. This process not only promotes weight loss, but also improves body composition. Additionally, increased fat burning leads to a faster metabolism. Number 2, speeds up metabolism. During intermittent fasting, metabolism rates increase. Extended fasting periods enhance energy expenditure, making weight loss easier. Regulating metabolism is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular intermittent fasting helps keep the metabolism steady, preventing weight gain. Number 3, helps balance blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting can aid in balancing blood sugar levels. Extended fasting periods improve insulin sensitivity and prevent fluctuations in blood sugar levels. This can reduce the risk of diabetes and contribute to stabilizing insulin levels, promoting stable energy levels and overall health. Number 4, enhances brain health. Intermittent fasting can positively impact brain health. Research suggests that fasting periods can improve neurological functions and prevent cognitive decline. Furthermore, fasting may increase neuroplasticity, leading to better learning and memory. Number 5, assists in cellular repair. Prolonged fasting periods stimulate cellular repair and renewal. This helps the body create healthy cells and repair damaged ones. Cellular renewal results in youthful, healthy skin, a stronger immune system, and improved tissue repair. Number 6, reduces inflammation. Intermittent fasting may reduce inflammation in the body. Long-term fasting can suppress inflammatory processes and decrease the risk of chronic diseases. This can improve joint health, alleviate inflammatory conditions, and enhance overall body health. Number 7, supports heart health. Intermittent fasting offers significant support for heart health. Intermittent fasting supports heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regular intermittent fasting can be an effective method for maintaining heart health and strengthening the cardiovascular system. Number 8, soothes digestive system. Regular intermittent fasting gives the digestive system a break, promoting relaxation and relief. By stimulating digestive organs, fasting can reduce digestive issues and improve digestive system health. Additionally, resting the digestive system facilitates toxin elimination and decreases the risk of digestive system diseases. Number 9, increases energy levels. Intermittent fasting can boost energy levels. During fasting periods, the body can produce energy more efficiently, resulting in increased energy throughout the day. Higher energy levels allow for more efficient completion of daily activities and lead to a better quality of life. Number 10, longevity and anti-aging effects. Lastly, intermittent fasting is believed to have longevity and anti-aging effects. Research indicates that fasting periods can slow down cellular aging and delay the aging process. This can reduce the effects of aging, alleviate signs of aging, and promote a longer and healthier life. Here you have it, the incredible 10 benefits of intermittent fasting. You may want to try this effective method to improve your health, vitality, and overall quality of life. However, as always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Now is the time to embark on a journey towards a healthier future with intermittent fasting.